Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to view your Gmail password while you are logged in 2025. If you need to confirm or copy your saved password, I'll show you the safe places to check on desktop and mobile. Quick note, before we start, Gmail passwords are not shown inside the Gmail app itself. They live in your browser or device password manager, so you must open that to view them. Also, your device will ask for biometric or system authentication before showing any password. On desktop Chrome, open Chrome, go to the settings, then autofill, then auto passwords. Find accounts.google.com or your Gmail address in the list, then click the icon to reveal the password and confirm with your computer password or biometrics. On Edge is go to the settings, then profiles, then passwords. Locate your Gmail login, click the eye to view the password and confirm your identity. On iPhone or iPad, open settings, then password, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, then search your Gmail address and tap it to view the safe password. If you cannot find your Gmail password in any of these places, use the Forgot Password flow inside Gmail to reset it securely. And that's how to view your Gmail password safely while logged in 2025. Only view passwords on your own device and never share them with others. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick security tips.